The new IONIQ 6 is to be one of the most energy-efficient EVs in the market. 77 kWh battery is mated to an aerodynamically sculpted silhouette to provide WLTP-estimated over 610 km of all-electric range on a single charge. Hyundai Motor Group's electric global modular platform to enable 800 volts ultra-fast charging from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. IONIQ 6 is available with a range of drive motors and battery packs to fit the needs of every customer. The long-range 77 kWh battery can be mated with two electric motor layouts, either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The top-of-the-line dual motor setup is an all-wheel drive option producing a combined power output of 239 kilowatts and 605 Nm of torque. This configuration can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.1 seconds. IONIQ 6 boasts an impressive energy consumption rate. The energy consumption of the 53 kWh standard battery with 18-inch tire and rear-wheel drive motor option is estimated to be under 14 kWh, 100 km, according to WLTP. This makes IONIQ 6 one of the most energy-efficient vehicles in the market. It is equipped with the next level of Hyundai's Smart Sense, advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring safety and convenience on the road. IONIQ 6 is Hyundai brand's first model to offer the over-the-air OTA software update feature for various controllers. This technology allows drivers to upgrade the vehicle's controllers for electric devices, autonomous driving, battery, and more, to provide a safer and more convenient driving experience. Drivers can also update maps and media software with the OTA function. The car is scheduled to begin production in the third quarter of 2022. The market launch schedule will be announced later. Subscribe now to Auto TV.